everybody, welcome back to my channel, Just Ria. In today's video we are going to be doing a cash stuffing. So I went to the bank, I got everything that I needed, but before we do that, let me just empty out everything. So tithes and offering, that will stay. Nothing in groceries, nothing in gas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 in house stuff. Nothing in self-care, nothing in hubby, nothing in Ria, nothing in Fur Babies. I have a receipt. $5 in Alex. And let me see, nothing in Kayla, $5 in Niecy. So I think I'm gonna put this back in Alex. And I don't think I filled those up. So the ones I am going to put in my $1 jar. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 in one. So I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, so we are gonna be cash stuffing $485. I went up on the budget because I was taking money out of other envelopes because I under budgeted. So hopefully this week will be better, because these last couple of weeks have been horrible. Or it hasn't been just been a week. I think it's just been a week, but yeah, I was taking envelopes from other places. I even used my debit card, which is a big no-no. So we're down for the second round to try this again. I'm gonna keep trying it until I am using only what's in the envelopes and nothing else. But I just have to get in the habit of, if I don't have it, then I can't use it. But I didn't budget for a lot of things that I should have, things that I just didn't even think about. But like I said, this is $485. And I have my breakdown. So I'm going to go ahead and, I got 2 50s, 9 20s, 12 10s, 15 5s, and 10 1s. So for tithes and offerings, we have 20. So I'm gonna do 2 10s. All right. Groceries, I just went grocery shopping last night. I just used my debit card for groceries, guys. For gas, it's gonna be $75 because I'm going out of town. So we're gonna do 20, 40, 60, 75. Going out of town, so definitely wanna make sure that I have enough gas. $30, full tank will get me there and back on half, so that should last me. House stuff is getting 30. It's gonna be 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. Kiddos will get 20, 10, 15, 20. Self-care will get 30, 25, 30. Hubby will get 55, 50, and 5. All right. I will get 55, 55. Fur Babies will get 25. So 20 and 5. Another thing that I need to work on is keeping track of the tracker. I kind of fell off. Alex will get 15. So he will have 20, so 10, 15, 20. Niecy will get 15, so 10, 15. There must be something, nothing in there. Kayla will get 15, so she will have 20 because she already has a 5 in there. 10, 15, 20. And Niecy, she used all hers because she is a preteen, so she needs a lot more stuff than they do. Okay, Grown Up Fun gets 50, 20, 40, 50. Yes, y'all, I'm budgeting for Grown Up Fun this time because that's what dipped into my budget last time. Miscellaneous will get 10, just 110. Just for the just in case. Giving and tips will get 10. Let's do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Family outings will get 60. So this should be what's left. 20, 30, 40, 50, 5, 60. No mistakes this time, you guys. Easy, freaking breezy. All right. So that is, everything is stuffed. I definitely have more categories stuffed this time. I think I stuffed everything except for groceries. I'm gonna have to budget for that so that I made a category for it, so I just need to stick with that. But let's go down my list just to make sure I did it all. So we did. Okay guys, so this is everything that I budgeted for the next 2 weeks. This is the full breakdown, and I did it this way so that you could see it. So yeah, this is what my budget is for the week. The last time, and 50 is gonna go to sinking funds, but I'm gonna use it, so I'm not even gonna waste my time putting it in the envelopes. And you guys, also I want to make you guys aware, I'm going to be doing my sinking funds and being more active in my 100 envelope challenge the week after next. So just stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna be doing sinking funds once a month. So you will only get those videos once a month. And I will be checking back in with you guys in 2 weeks, because that is when I get paid. And we will see if I stayed on budget, if I had to dip and dabble in other envelopes, and hopefully I didn't. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cash stuffing. Again, just bear with me, I'm gonna get better, like I always say, and I appreciate you guys watching. This is my new pennies jar. That's college fund, but it's just for pennies, period. And I'm gonna keep my silver separate. I have 15 cents in silver. But yeah, so the pennies, the silver, and the dollars. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you drop a like, leave a comment below, any pointers or tips that you have. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.